Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. So, if you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, anyways, definitely still need to keep an eye on this 78% Fibonacci retracement level of the whole push up on the daily. If this is going to make a bounce at the fib level and eventually make its way up and break this structure, I think it will confirm a wave C, and then we're back into an uptrend. If it doesn't go up and eventually break this structure, then I would definitely continue to look for shorts, especially if you trade on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on only the last push down. If this really is going to be a correction, then I would definitely expect to see a nice fib bounce, probably a nice break of structure, probably at least another sorting opportunity. Then if it goes down and bounces off that 78% Fibonacci level on the 4 hour time frame, starts going up, breaking structure along the way, then that's what's going to tell me a wave C. If you do not see this picture right here, then continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback you see. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.